What's up guys, my name is Vineet Kumar and welcome to my kitchen slash garden slash state of the art bat cave. I am Batman. Not really. So I watch bad films for no apparent reason. Actually, I watch films for no apparent reason. They happen to be bad most of the time. So what I do is once I see the film, I come back and if it leaves a bad taste, I make a dish out of it. But this time is an exception. This time I watched a film that was so bad that it made Bang Bang look like a work of art. I kid you not. Hence, it doesn't deserve a dish, it deserves a side dish. I watched the not so horrific yet so horrible film named Alone, and for that I will be making the Forever Alone chutney. To tell you about the film, let's begin. So first up, we have no ingredients whatsoever because there's Bipasha Basu, dude with abs, and Bipasha Basu in the film. Literally, like there are only 7 people in the film, 8 if you count Bipasha Basu's double role. Like her performance was so bad in the film that even though she played a dual role, the makers only paid her for the first half of the first role. That's how bad she was. So to show Bips as the Siamese twins, we have a coconut. Now we will break this coconut into 2 but not split it. We will keep them together for a long time. Now we're gonna keep this coconut the same way for about 25 years. Waste as much as time as possible. Make sure you bore the audience as much as you can. And even though the coconut clearly looks 35 years, we will look past the continuity error and separate them suddenly out of the blue. One half is good, one half is evil. Blood! Hey, be positive. Our next ingredient is the dude with the abs, the dude with the cuts, the dude who's built like an ox. Karan Singh Grover. So for Karan, the ingredients are twofold. First, we add boldenone undecillinate, which is otherwise known as horse steroids. 12 to 15 should do. Maybe 16. Second fold, lip balm. Because let's face it, it's like as if he works out just separately for his lips to be toned. It's like he's got the lip, 2 lower lips, an extra set of upper lip on top of that just to show off. Like it's just like... Sometimes he just reminds me of the Flappy Bird. Remember the Flappy Bird, that game? Now the key is to add it with technique. Roll out the right amount of lip balm. Hold it at a right angle and chop the head right off. Precision is perfection. And moving on, for our next ingredient, we have the head of a sacrificed doll. Because in all bad horror films, there is a scary doll connection. Why? Nobody gives a shit. So for this, we're going to need an innocent looking doll. Check. We're going to mumble a silent prayer before we rip the head off. It can be any prayer, anything that comes to your mind. Om Bipasha Basu Nam Shum Shum Baby Doll Pisone the horror film, bips, 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 bips. And rip! Make sure you bury the knife with no evidence and we're good to go. And now it's time for the secret ingredient. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? This secret ingredient is what makes this chutney the Forever Alone chutney. Ladies and gentlemen, the secret ingredient is state-of-the-art pathetic makeup. There's so much makeup on the ghost that it makes Kareena Kapoor look tan. That's how much makeup there was. So we had mascara, powder, some more mascara, and lots more powder. Now with all the ingredients inside, we are good to cook. So in the name of trying something new, even though it's been done before, I am going to cook this in a very different way. Basically, I'm going to cook this in an oven for about 1 hour 26 minutes because that's how long it takes for the interval to come and then the rest of the film happens. In the meantime, we can have a chat with Bipasha just to ask why did she put us through this? Why would you put us through this? Exactly what I thought. And that means our chutney is ready. We're gonna get the chutney out to see what it is all about. And once you get a stale aroma, you know you've arrived. Transfer contents to a bowl. Make sure you get everything in there. It might look a little nasty, but I'm just keeping with the film. And Sajid Nadia, voila! I present to you the Forever Alone chutney. In my opinion, alone must be left alone. The makers of the film gave us a clue in the title itself. Alone, leave it alone. So I would like take their hint very seriously. Thank you so much for joining us, and please do not try any of these dishes at home. They can be deadly to you. That being said, hit like, share, subscribe, and remember, the next time